अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर फ्रेंड्स। तो मैं हूँ वक़ार अहमद और मैं के लिए आपके लिए लाया हूँ एक इंटरेस्टिंग सा वीडियो। आज हम बनाने वाली है कार्टून पोएम। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट वी विल गो टू द प्ले स्टोर एंड सर्च फॉर कार्टून मेकर and then scroll down a little bit, and the name of our app is Movie Adventure. Just and then we should open it. And we open it the first, and then first we select our characters and choose the scenes, choose the sound, and then go, and then we should place the character of that place and start the recording and move the character with our fingers a little bit. You want click for emotions, click the character for emotions. It looks like a very beautiful when you record it. Then we should open it with a X recorder app or any app you want. I open it with X recorder and direct save it with a high resolution, and then go to CapCut app. You should download it from the Google Play Store and select a new project and upload a clip that we recorded with a cartoon movie maker, and then go to our Google browser and search for the cartoon movies one stanza, and select you want the text, and then copy it or read it and paste it to the CapCut text, and then enter the text you copy, then copy the alt text from the Google and copy my method that I do and not crop it in this place, the text. And then the voice at a vocalist get like it is like a poem, and then through it generate it to text to sound and delete the text from here, delete the text from here, and add some effects to it, crop it and delete the ending, also in out and combo. So it looks like that. It's very fantastic. And then copy some effects. And then export it, and then see your